Animation hand-drawn must learn look up and look down when drawing the head up and down. Is there anyone as confused as I am? The head that looks up and down is drawn in. Will the perspective relationship of looking up and bowing your head conflict? Or when I draw from above, I look up. When you look up, you bow your head. What is the perspective of the head? I will use an APP later, so just to give you a sense of scale. Still the same as the previous video, use rice-like avatars to cut and grind to illustrate how to draw. Before painting the jaw, just draw the midline in the top and bottom of the ball. You can clearly see the perspective of this head. And it worked. You can quickly determine the direction of the head. And then there's the familiar way. If you find sanding, you can draw the jaw block. The difficulty lies in looking up, according to the horizontal relationship between the next 2 points and the next 8 points, to determine chin part. This video doesn't go into too much detail. To put it simply, as long as you draw and look up, just draw him a double chin. The size lies in the positional relationship between the lower 2 o'clock and the lower 8 o'clock. This double chin you also see some when looking up to the side. And finally, back to that question. Looking up and looking down. Will the perspective relationship of bowing your head conflict? And the answer is yes. When looking up, it's just a change of perspective. But after adding the head up and head down action, there will be movement changes. The perspective of the head changes. Before moving when looking down, all face forward. Look up and face the camera. The perspective of the head becomes head up. When looking up, join the head up or down. Again, the perspective of the head changes.